ZANU-PF attributing the disruption to opposition conduct rather than internal mobilization dynamics. Speaking in the aftermath of caretaker scene at the City Sports Center, Chinamasa reject claims that the hearing were effectively partisan event. Instead, he added that opposition actors deliberately entered the process with the intention of provoking disorder and drawing a broader attention to the proceeding. Kusangana kwatinoita pana pachannel yenyu Magaba News patinobata nawo dzinenge dzichiitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe, tichingoti kana pane vanyuwani vachange vachingosvikawo paMagaba News, mukana wekubaya button rakanzi subscribe nekutena notification bell so that patinoposta nawo dzinenge dzichiitika unova uri wekutanga kusangana nenews dzatinenge taisa pana pachannel yenyu yeMagaba News. Today tauya takabata nawo iri kutaurwa neZANU-PF apo pavari kublema maopposition pachiitiko chakaitika ku City Sports Center apo paitwa mapublic hearing. Patrick Chinamasa vanova treasury general webato reZANU-PF vouya vachitaura ivo vachiti maopposition ndiwo akaitisa chiitiko chese chekuti pazoitwe chiitiko chekubiwa kumafoni, chiitiko chekubatwa majournalists achivharirwa muCity Sports Center nezvakasiyana siyana zvakaitika kuCity Sports Center. Voti maopposition ndiwo aizviita nekuda kwekuti vaida attention, asi nauyi vekumaopposition vakabva vatosiya nezvemapublic hearing vachitaura vachiti hatisi kupiwa mukana neZANU-PF iyi, ende zvaioneka pamufananidzo pamavidhiyo aitenderera, asi veruzhinji voshamisika nemashoko avo Patrick Chinamasa. According to news, attention have risen in Zimbabwe political landscape following a chaotic scene at the recently public hearing on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. The disruptions which took place at the City Sports Center have drawn a strong reaction from both the ruling party ZANU-PF and opposition groups. Patrick Chinamasa, the party's treasurer general, has attributed the disruption to opposition members, alleging that some attendants came prepared to unsettle the proceeding rather than engaging constructively. In his public remarks, he suggests that situation reflects a tension that can arise when strongly opposing political views meet in a highly charged environment. Chinamasa also acknowledged that emotion ran high among attendants, noting that large gathering dominated by like-minded supporters can sometimes respond strongly to dissent voice. However, he clarified that his comments were not intended to justify disorder, but rather to explain how such a situation can unfold. On the other side, opposition figures including Douglas Cottart have raised concern about the fairness of the hearing. They add that some participants were not even given a full opportunity to contribute, describing the process as a limit in inclusivity. At the center of the debate is a Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, which has sparked national discussion. Critics of the bill say it could significantly reshape Zimbabwe's political timeline, including proposal that may extend terms of office. Supporters, however, view the process as part of ongoing governance and constitutional development. The differing account highlights a broader issue facing public consultation in political divide environment. So mure Zimbabwe ndona uya tukutaura saka vaPatrick Chinamasa vouya vachitaura ivo vachiti aiwa maopposition ndiwo vaitopirinkisha nauyi. Hamene kuti vekumaopposition vari kuzvitora sei, asi takaona kuti vekumaopposition vakagara vataura vachiti ivo havachaende kumapublic hearing ari kuannouncwa neparliament yeZANU-PF sezvo hakuna chavari kupiwa mukana, kurohwa nekuvhundutsirwa kuri kuitwa chete maopposition kumapublic hearing. So maleaders acho akagara ataura kuti hatichatsikeko, ngavaite vega veZANU-PF, asi chinhu ichi chekuti vasvike 2030 hatisi kuchibvuma. What's your take on this? What's your take on this news? Ndidzo news dzatati kabata on our channel page, Magaba News.